In this video, we will show you how to upload school assessment internal marks for both lower and upper secondary to the PNG Student Information Booklet Online System, or SIBS. All schools in Papua New Guinea must follow these steps to successfully upload their students' internal marks. This is the third video in this series. If you have not already done so, please watch our previous videos on setting up your SIBS account and uploading nomination data. The links are available in the description below. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date with more SIBS tutorials. Let's get started. Open your internet browser, type the SIBS website address, https://sibs.mipms.com. Enter your username and password. Click Login. Next, open your email and retrieve the one-time passcode. Enter the 6-digit passcode into the verification fields. Click Login again. You are now on the SIBS dashboard. Click the Open Template button. Since the grade 10 nomination data has already been uploaded, we'll begin with the grade 9 internal marks. Click Download Template. The Grade 9 Internal Marks template will download as an Excel file. Open the file and click Enable before you begin. Enter each student's marks under the 7 subject columns. When you have finished, remember the file name shown at the top of the Excel window. Then save and close the file. We are now ready to upload the Grade 9 internal marks. First, make sure you know where the file is saved. In most cases, it will be in your Downloads folder. Return to the SIBs portal. Open the Open Template section again. Under Grade 9 Internal Marks, click Browse. Select the Excel template you have just completed. Then click Upload. If the upload is successful, you will receive a confirmation message. If there are any errors, they will appear in red for you to correct. You can follow the same process for Grade 10 Internal Marks, Science Practical Marks, Grade 10 Written Expression Marks, Examination Marks. Congratulations, you have successfully uploaded the Grade 9 Internal Marks. Next, we'll look at uploading Grade 12 nomination data and Grade 11 internal marks. Select the Grade 12 tab. Click Open Template. At this stage, only the nomination section is active. The remaining sections will stay locked until the nomination data has been uploaded. Go to the Grade 12 nomination section. Click Download Template. A pop-up window will appear. Enter the total enrollment for your Grade 12 students. Click Download. The Grade 12 nomination template will be downloaded as an Excel file. Open it and click Enable. Complete all the required information. Student names, gender, status, school leaver numbers, and dates of birth are all mandatory. For each subject, enter 1 if the student is studying the subject, or 0 if they are not. Every subject must have either a 1 or a 0. Do not leave any cells blank. Before closing the file, remember its file name. Return to the SIBS portal. Click Open Template. Under Grade 12 nomination, click Browse. Locate and select the nomination template you have just completed. Then click Upload to submit the file. Once the upload is complete, a confirmation message will appear. Great! Your Grade 12 nomination data has now been uploaded successfully. Next. Let's upload the Grade 11 internal marks. Go to the Grade 11 internal marks section. Click Download. Open the downloaded Excel file and click Enable. Enter the marks for every student in each subject. When you are finished, remember the file name. Save the file and close Excel. Return to the SIBS portal. Open the Open Template section. Go to Grade 11 Internal Marks. Click Browse. Select the Grade 11 Internal Marks template. Click Open. Finally, click Upload to submit the file. If the upload is successful, a confirmation message will be displayed. You can now repeat the same process for Grade 12 internal marks and the remaining assessment categories. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial has helped you successfully upload your school assessment data to the PNG SIBS online system.